Did you know that you can find out who is calling you without looking at your iPhone? In this video, I want to tell you how we can find out the name of the caller without looking at the phone. Welcome to Sorry World. You don't need a special program for this, and it is available in your phone settings, and you can use it easily. For this, first step is to take your phone. Easily. Now go to the settings section of the phone and scroll down and then go to announce call section. Now it is enough to choose always option and done. Now, whenever anyone calls you, the phone will tell you the name of the contact. Of course, it goes without saying that this method is not suitable for all places, and I suggest that you disable this feature where you don't need it, because if it is enabled, your phone will say the name of that person out loud, which I don't think is good. Thank you for being with me until the end of the video. If you are interested in this type of videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell to be notified of my new videos.